Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. The last review I did on the little rechargeable soldering iron had a hell of a lot of views, and I did get some feedback. Some people emailed us, in fact 3 people emailed us and says, John, can you review a digital test meter? So I asked Banggood, and sure enough they've sent us out this little digital test meter to do a review on. Before we get started, I want to make one or two things perfectly clear. I don't work for Banggood, I'm not getting paid for doing this. What I do get is to keep the product, and up to now all the things I've had have been really good. There is a link in the description box to this if you do decide to buy one. In fact, buy anything using my link, I do get a small amount of commission. Not a fortune, but a little bit. It all helps to run the shop. What you see here is the real thing, no bullshit. I don't need to. If it's shite, I'll just say it's shite. We'll have a look and see exactly what we've got. This is what the scent is. I've actually had a look at it. I did open it at work. The lads couldn't leave it alone. They had to see what was inside it. I'll get all the bits and pieces out. Got an instruction manual. English, that's pretty good. Various test leads. I think it's a temperature, that could be a temperature probe. This is the meter itself. Nice little protective bag, I like that. It's quite heavy as well. Right, so that's what I've got. The test leads or probes are really nice. Nice flexible, like silicon wire. Some of them have got horrible hard stuff, it's quite nice. Your earth goes near, that's your common. This does voltage resistance. So a little beep there. It's a continuity tester, so you can test continuity of fuses off. Right, I've had a little bit of read, a little bit of play. It's got auto settings on it. This one here is DC voltage, AC voltage. You use these two for AC. And for DC, you go into there, up to 100 volts DC, and that's some much heavier cables for your DC, for the likes of checking charging rates. It's got a little trace on it, it's a trace running in there. So it's basically got a little scope built into it as well. We'll clear that off. Like this one's auto. And it's for measuring resistance in ohms. It's measuring resistance in the wire, which is virtually nothing. This would be good for checking the likes of wheel speed sensors, that sort of thing, especially with the graph and scope. I wish I had one here so I could show how it works. But I must admit I'm quite impressed with it. I think we'll take it outside, put the DC lead on and check the charge rate on my car. There's an awful lot of things it covers that I don't normally use. Basically all I do was charging rate and resistance slow parts, but this does a lot more. It's certainly a nice meaty little unit. These are the DC leads. Into there like that. Volts DC. So we'll take it outside, we'll plug it on my car and see if it's charging. That's connected to the battery on my car and it's showing 12.2 volts. If I start it up, it should lift around about 14 volts, which is your charging rate. I'm going to start the car up and see what happens. Right, so it's jumped up to 14.3, which is a good charging voltage. It'll eventually settle back down to its normal flood voltage. It's got an automatic power off as well, so it turns itself off after a few minutes, so it doesn't flatten the battery. But like I say, it is rechargeable, which is a really good feature. They're nice, powerful clips. So now I know my car's charging. I've plugged the temperature probe wires in. That's the probe on the end there. It's given a temperature on here, 19 degrees C. And you can see on there, it is indeed 19 degrees C. It also gives 64 degrees in Fahrenheit. I'm going to get something to warm this up with. My finger's going to make it go up, yep. So touching it is making it go up. So it should measure my body temperature. Unfortunately, my knowledge of electronics isn't really wide enough to appreciate exactly what this thing can do. I'm going to take it to work and give it to our auto electrician, let him play with it. But what I've managed to do with it, it's done very well. The quality's good, the leads are good, nice little carry case. The rechargeable battery is a no-brainer. So as far as I'm concerned, it gets a big yes. Don't forget, if you do decide to buy one of these, in fact any product using my link from Banggood, I do get a little bit of commission. If there's anything you'd like me to review from Banggood, as long as it's sort of automotive, machining, welding, I can get onto Banggood, get them to send me the product and I can review it before you spend your money. Simple as that. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.